Welcome back. So we are now going back to our data entry sheet. So we're now going to encode the grades from what we call this one, second grading until fourth grading. So for example lang, no, so we have now our grades from second grading to fourth grading. So I preferably advise you to encode per grading talaga. So once matapos na yung first grading natin, encode natin dito. Then next na po second grading. So hindi natin kung po pwede, hindi natin isahin para hindi marami o mabulto yung pag-encode natin ng grades dito. Okay, so this time around, so I choose second grading period. Then I'm now going to encode the grades of the learners for the second grading period. 94, so on and so forth. Okay, so this time I'm done in encoding the grades of the students for the second grading period. So it is now ready for processing the data. So as you can see here, so we have the grades for the boys and for the girls. So make sure that all grades are encoded in this particular data entry sheet. So dito lang yung medyo burden sa trabaho natin, pero the rest of that, pag once we're done in what we call this one, in processing this data, automatically tapos na po tayo sa iba pa nating mga gawain. So this time I'm now going to process the data, then click yes. So okay na yung second grading period natin. So malipat yan sa data set sheet, then ma-cleared itong data entry natin na sheet. So hintayin natin, pag ma-cleared na ito, so ready na po for the next encoding. Okay, so yon, ready na po siya. So this time, mag-encode na naman tayo para sa third grading period. Okay, so mag-encode tayo for the third grading period. So we have here, what we call this one, third grading period. So we have here 70, so on and so forth. Okay, so I am now done in encoding the grades of the learners or the students for the third grading period. So as you can see, kompleto po yan, from Filipino to health subjects, then as well as from the boys and the girls. So as you can see here, hindi na po ako nag-encode ng MAPI grades kasi pag galawin nyo po yan, so protected po yan. So meaning to say, hindi na natin yan galawin yung MAPI there, portion o column. So by the way, yung MAPI, i-average yung apat na category like the music, arts, PNL. Okay, so we're going to highlight these 4 entities in here. So as you can see, the average is 82.5. Rounded up to that one to 0 decimal places, it is 83. So also in here, 85, 81, so on and so forth, 85. Okay, so this time we're now going to process the grades for the third grading period. Okay, process tayo. Yes. So again, ma-transfer yan sa dataset sheet. So malaman natin na ready na itong data entry sheet pag na-cleared na ito, ready for the next encoding. Okay? So tingnan natin ngayon. So na-cleared na siya, so meaning ready na siya for the next encoding. Diba sabi ko kanina na ma-transfer siya sa data set sheet. So dito po i-collect niya lahat, gather niya lahat yung mga data na i-encode natin. So meron tayong first grading, then meron tayong second grading na po yan. Then dito din meron din tayong third grading. So ito po yung last natin, third grading period, no? So this time mag-encode na naman tayo for the fourth grading period. So last na po to siya. So i-encode na lang natin lahat yung mga grades para matapos na. Okay, so for the fourth grading, encode na naman tayo 75. So on and so forth. Okay? Tapos na po ako nag-encode ng grades for the fourth grading period. So this time, ipaprocess na naman natin itong 4th grading period na grades sa grade 7 Cadena de Amor students. Okay, process. Yes. O kaya yes lang. Kayo mag-alala. Hindi po yan masira. Yes lang. Pag mag-no po kayo, so wala pong action na gagawin. Okay? So, we're just going to wait until such time na ma-cleared na itong data entry sheet. Then, makita natin na meron na din tayong 4th grading period na grades for the this particular grade and section. Grade 7, Cadena de Amor. So, as you can see, meron na po tayong 4th grading period. So, kompleto na po yung grades natin from the 1st until 4th grading period. That's all. Thank you.